Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to be playing Monkey Raft.
Yeah, okay, who's going? I'm the king. What?
Long ago, monkeys lived in the great Trilaki, and all day long they danced and ate bananas. One nightingale, a terrible storm came, the ground flooded, lightning struck, and some branches fell from the great Trilaki, and with them tumbled several monkeys. As they awoke the next day, floating on a raft of vegetation, none knew of great adventure waiting them, that through mutating, learning, and fighting other mutations they would make their way to a new world.
Which age is this? Depression age? I don't know what that is. Yeah. Are you still living in?
Yes.
Okay. Want to sail?
Are you going to?
Do you want to sail?
What do you?
Not really though. There's a raft right there. Ooh, why is it name like that? It's shake. Ooh, coconut.
Oh, it's coming for me. Hello, snake. Hey, snake. How you doing? I made it share accidentally. Oops.
Bruh. Let's see what it got. Not much. Let's shake some trees. Are you on the raft? Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
What?
Mato.
Bruh, how did you get in water? Obviously it's going in. Ooh, banana! We're gonna evolve! We're gonna evolve! Okay. What should we get? Dexterity or strength?
Strength.
Okay.
For generations, the monkeys thrived and mutated on the Islandians. Wait, no, don't skip Niru.
Okay. So our destination's over there. Yeah. Why? Why are you attacking him in the first place?
Because he attacked me.
Okay.
Now we have beat, thanks to me.
Okay. We got this one, then there's some more over there. Okay, let's go.
How?
Ah! You died. Find a resurrection totem.
Should be. Oh, that. Look, there's a red thing on the bottom.
I wish this ship was faster. And now there's a stupid creature thing there. What the world? I'm starving now? Oh my gosh. How do you get up there? Oh,
After 200 millions years, the lasting of the seaborn monkey lineage lost a battle to mutant nature creature things.
Okay. That's it, guys. Bye.